Hi, today we're making this high profit wood art of this brown bear, so you can make and sell it too. I'm Donna, and on our channel, we like to show you woodworking projects that you can make and sell to earn some extra money on nights and weekends or to boost your retirement. We try to find affordable projects using a lot of scrap wood or 2x4s to make some really great products that you can sell in your local area. As always, start by printing 2 copies of the pattern. I use one as a cutting template and one as a legend. And the patterns are available on our Etsy store if you're interested, and the link will be in the description below. So you can see here I've glued it down to the MDF in this case, which is really unusual for me. But I chose to use MDF for this project because we're going to do something a little different with the sanding. I'm going to try a bit of sanding carving, I think is how you would call it, to give this piece some extra shape. So I've cut them all out, and here is the cut piece. And now I'm going to start really trying to get some shape on these pieces. I'm first using my belt sander to get some of the shaping, and then I'm going to come in with my Dremel tool and really try to enhance that. When I did it, it was easy to use the MDF because it sands very well compared to if you were trying to do all these curves on wood. It's not quite as smooth or as easy. I did find it was easy to make dents and divots into the piece, but I just kept sanding and it turned out quite well. And you can see here, it really did give some great dimension. So as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We love to hear from you. And we have lots of different wood art videos on the channel, so you can go check out those if you're interested. And we also have a website, ideas2ididit.com, where there's more information on our techniques and our approach to woodwork. And if you sign up for our newsletter, we will send you a free wood art project so you could give one a try as well. So go check that out at ideas2ididit.com. So you can see where I use MDF, I'm not going to stain anything. There's no wood grain to show. And I almost never work with MDF. It's pretty much all wood that I work with, but it was okay. It was okay to work with. It definitely made the sanding easier. So here I'm painting it in a reddish brown. And this is just the base coat, so I'm going to paint all sides because you can see down the side cuts where I sanded the roundness into the pieces. And then once I'm done with this, I'll glue it down and then we'll do some shadow work. So on this one, I put it on a black background and I glued it down. And you can see here, I'm taking some watered down black paint and really starting to work on those shadows. And it really, really helps give dimension to the piece and also really enhance those curves. So if you'd like to learn how to do this technique more in detail, I do have a video on the channel that's a real-time tutorial on how I do this. So it'll show you step by step how to do it. So go check that out if this is something you want to learn how to do. I see so many big YouTubers talking about how to make money using wood, and wood art is always at the top of that list. And I couldn't agree more. It's so versatile. You could do so many different subjects, and there's so many different ways to approach it. And you can truly make it your own. And it is something that it's so relatively low cost to do. And all of our pieces are framed using Chris's 2x4 frame method, where we basically get a frame for a piece like this for right around $1. We have a video specifically showing how to do those frames as well. I can link that below as well, but go check that out if you're interested in trying to make these. Even if you don't want to sell them, you can use these to save money. I'll put that in quotes, by using these as gifts. I gave wood art for all of the teachers' gifts last year, and the teachers absolutely love them, for my kids' teachers, and I give them as Christmas gifts to many different people, and they're so beloved. People love getting this as a Christmas gift, and it's a great way to give something that's truly meaningful to someone. Well, we can't thank you enough for watching. We hope you really enjoyed this, and we hope you have a fantastic day.